Hello everyone, in this video we're gonna uh, demo a cloud formation with parameters. So if you can see in this command we have AWS CloudFormation create stack. The stack name is this parameters, yeah. Yep.
Chameleon. And ha 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 a wizard.
Yep.
And ha ha chameleon.
Yep.
Wait, where is he the same?
Yeah, because this is his son and this is the father. Okay, okay, Papa is taking a video. Okay, as you can see here, this is the name of the template create s3 parameter dot YAML. So this one here, the file is create s3 parameter dot YAML. And the parameters, we have a parameter key, bucket name, parameter value, Vlad bucket. So if you go to the template itself, open inside. So this is the parameters that we have. So we have bucket name here. This coincide. So, this refers to this parameter key here, bucket name. And we have a default here, JX bucket name. And if we don't specify these parameters here, this will just use this bucket name. And because we specify this parameter value here, which is Vlad bucket, so when this CloudFormation stack creates the S3 bucket, it's going to take this value here, bucket, Vlad bucket, because in our resources here, the my JX S3 bucket, which is type of S3 bucket. This is to just allow it to be accessible from the public. And the bucket name here, we reference, this is the shorthand of fn ref. So shorthand is exclamation point ref. And this is, it will get the value of this bucket name. So to 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 test if this is working, so let's go to, no, this is, oh yeah, this is in, yep, so let's go to AWS, go to CloudFormation tutorials, go to S3, okay, oh no, not S3, go to parameters. Alright, so let's execute this command. Okay, so an error occurred, validation error when calling create stack parameter values specified for a template does not require them. What? For a template which does not require them, command not found, capabilities. Oh, what's this? Okay, so let's go to find.com, then help me correct this template, this AWS command. Oh, okay. So see, that is the value of AI. AI solves it benefits may. Okay, so the parameter values specified for a template does not require them. What? What? parameters, parameter key, parameter value, add bucket. Um, so I'm getting this error. What does this mean? What does this mean? Bless the Lord, oh my soul, oh my soul. Worship this holy name. The error you're seeing parameter value specified for a template which does not require them indicates that you're passing parameters to the AWS CloudFormation create set command that are not required by your template. In your case, the parameters are bucket name and its value bucket add bucket. This error means that these parameters are not defined in your. To resolve this issue, you need to ensure that the parameters you're passing in the command line are defined in the cloud item. Okay, bucket name description. So if we go to the parameters, we spelled it wrongly. So this one is parameters, so that should be parameters. So if you change this, so it now creates the stack. So if you go to CloudFormation, go to the it rolls back, which means it didn't. Properties validation failed for 3 bucket. Why? Yeah, because we put a space here. We put a hyphen. I believe that is not allowed. So let's go and clear this and then execute that again. Should be right. So let's delete the stack first. Delete the stack. Right, delete in progress. So it's now deleted. Let's go back and create that thing. And we go and refresh this. Rolls back again. The following resources failed to create. This JX roll back. Properties validation failed for resource my JX S3 bucket with message failed validation pattern. Well, a failed validation or constraint for keyword pattern. What? Bucket name. Hey, what's wrong with my bucket name, dude? Default bucket name. Okay, so let's try to forgive it. Let's try to, instead of putting parameter, let's remove this thing and let's see if it still creates it. Let's see if it can create this successfully. Right. Paste. Alright. I came into this world as a reject. Look into the size, then you see the signs of the flame. A burn on my pants is burning up my brain. Everyone that burns got to learn from the flame. Hey, think about the day my girl ain't went away with my pain when my friends got to play. And I'm just stuck with the homie that she fuck. Oh, I'm just a sucker with a lump on my throat like a chump. Hey, like a chump. Alright, so it completed. So that means we did something wrong. So if we get this value and then we put this one here, will it be fine? So let's try that. Should I be feeling bad? Should I be feeling good? It's kinda sad. I'm the laughing stock on the neighborhood. And you think that I'll be moving on? Whatever, fuck up, like I said, fucked up in the head now. And maybe she's just making a mistake. That I should give her a break. And so anyway, hey, what the hell? What you want me to say? I can't deny. I did all for the nookie. Come on, the nookie. Come on, so you can take the cookie. Spinning up your hand, spinning up your hand, spinning up your hand. Oh, air completed. So if we check S3, or we can even just go here and go to the resources. Yeah, go to the resources, JX bucket name. So JX bucket name. Yeah. So why it's like so if we change this, okay, so if we copy and paste it there, well, the stack name will be JX parameter CF2, and this one here would be bucketer Willard. Right, so if we execute this, I'll go to tutorials, parameters. Okay, so if we execute that, is it gonna create a bucketer Willard bucket? Okay, so let's go to S3, go to buckets, and see if we have a bucketer Willard. Yeah, we do have a bucketer Willard, and we should have another stack here. Yeah, so we have a stack here. So that's it, parameters. So parameters, and we put here parameter bucket, and if we don't specify, we have a default here, and it's being refed here. Okay, so if we also want to parameterize more, what else more should be parameterized? So that's it. That is the concept of parameterizing things. So if we put here description, type is string, and then um, default is nothing set, like that. And do we have a parameter for description? Maybe we do have description. So we reference the string, the description here. So if we go to a bucket, do we have a description, permission properties? Do we have a description here? I did not for Nuki. Come on, the Nuki. Come on, so we can take the cookie. All right. So S3 bucket description. Um, S3 buckets are public storage container. Does S3 bucket have description property? I did alpha he, come on. No, bro, it doesn't have built-in description parameter. Okay. Oh, okay. So where can I describe what are what are the properties of S3 bucket? Three, one, two. Dum, 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 better than watching color bending service spoon. Better than witnessing your bone never lambo. She uses from
Let's try push everything down.
what?
This one. Traffic goes water down in the English traffic world.
Mm-hmm. This public property allows you to host a site on static website hosting. So if you find, go to this one here. Let's go to other things that we did before. Go to S3 CloudFormation. Yeah, so this is for web configuration. Right? So we have here. Okay, web configuration, website configuration only. Ah, oops. So, how do we set this? Okay, so I think that's it for now. Here we are, the radio. Better in my screen is unkind, but I met you when the season fight. Caught up both your wings. A principal, principal. Hey, my God. Oh, no, Jesus. I am fucking Elvis. Alright, so this one is okay. So we've demonstrated parameters. So next is we want to um, where is it? So in this setup here, right? So we have this one and this one. We want to have this in a separate stack and this one also in a separate stack, and we want to import both of this stack into like a main stack. Alright, so cool, thanks, bye.